I'm Rosie Lips. Today I'll be doing for you rice water and the benefit of rice water. So all you need is just any rice that you normally use in your house. I'm going to just use this little pack of white rice I have, and you can just use like a cup of rice, and then now you're going to pour it into the. So you're going to get some. You always want to wash the first layer of water because it's rice. You don't want to just use the rice like that. So I'm going to wash it off, and get rid of this first set of water. Oh, Jonathan. Alright? Forgot what to do. So now you just want to put some water over this and leave it like that. Instead, this is the right water you want it to look, just a little water over it. And before then, I tell you the benefit of rice water. I want to read you a verse. Philippians 4 verse 13 said, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. So normally you leave this water for like 24 hours. And then I know I was going to do rice video today, so go ahead and make my rice water. So you always want to use a citrus in it to leave it. So you know, rice have a odious smell. And so I had grapefruit, so I put grapefruit in it. So now you just want to go and rub it like this. Try to get all the water, all the stuff off the rice before you put it, because you want the water to look cloudy. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and strain this rice water. And this rice, people, can use for your dinner. You don't have to waste it. And this is how your rice water should look. I want it to look cloudy. So you see the difference from this one, the new one to the older one. That's how it look. I already went on and put some citrus in my bottle. And these are from Amazon that my niece bought. And you just can go ahead and strain it into your container. So you know it's rice, so rice is gonna have a little odor. And so what I do, I like to use a little essential oil. My son like lavender because I want them to use it. So you can put, like, for this little container here, I will go ahead and put like 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. 3 drops of lavender. And this can stay for no more than 2 weeks. For me, it will last 2 weeks, but you have to leave it in the fridge. For best result, leave it in the fridge no more than 2 weeks. And if for any reason this is spoiled before the 2 weeks, you can go ahead and destroy it and start over again, because it's just rice. Okay, so that's how I make my rice water. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you the benefit of it, and then I will show you how to use it. The benefit of using rice water for natural hair is stimulate the hair growth, remove dandruff, smoothen itchy hair, strengthen your hair, improve the appearance of your hair, and it's also rich in vitamin and mineral, and it's help repair damaged hair. It have a lot of benefit, more than what I said. So now I went on and pulled up my hair. So rice water, you just spray it in your hair. Put it in your hair like this. And I use rice water for detangling my hair, because normally my hair to fall out a lot, so I use the rice water to detangle it. But you can just do the same thing as I do, and twist your hair back up, detangle my hair real good. I'm gonna speed through this, and then I come back at the end of the video. So I'm just gonna speed through.
Yeah, I'm gonna speed through this video, and then you guys can see the end result.
rice water for like 3 weeks. Before the rice water, I will be taking like a handful of here. So rice water can be used for wash day. This is not a wash day for me, but I use it to detangle my hair, as I said before. So if you're gonna wash your hair, you can go ahead and spray it like this, and then you put on your plastic cap, just pin up the hair, put on the plastic cap, and then you can go ahead and let it stay for like 30 minutes if you have the time, and then you go ahead and get your hair washed. Take it out and wash it, but today is not a wash day for me. It's just detangling here so I can comb my hair. So thank you guys for watching my channel. Thanks for the last one, the first one I did. So remember to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell, and so my next video I don't have to send you the information, it just come right up. So thank you guys, and have a good and blessed day.